Peace, family. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever it is you're watching this video. First and foremost, thank you for clicking on this video and giving my channel a chance so you can enter into my world and see what I'm about. So, what we're going to do today is no equipment workout, because way too often as truck drivers and people period, but basically truck drivers, I'm aiming all this towards them, but anyway, way too often we're on the road, especially if you're OTR, and we don't have time to go to the gym so that we can work out and stay in shape and things like that. But the truth of the matter is, we don't need one, because we honestly have one right here. Like I said, we're gonna do 5 sets of 20 push-ups, 5 sets of 20 dips, and 5 sets of 20 squats. Now I'm gonna do more than that, but I'm only gonna record that much. And feel free to follow along if you want to. You can make up your own numbers, but this is for motivation and just, letting you guys know that you can do it. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. After this video, you can comment on the video, share the video with someone you think it may resonate with. But yeah, hit the like button, give a dislike, either way. Like I said, regardless, thank you for even giving me a chance to showcase myself or whatever. But here we go. One set done. Whether you're serious or not about changing your life in the health aspect or whatever, especially dealing with working out or training, whichever you feel it is that you do, I always keep track of everything, so that way it'll help keep pushing you forward, and you'll be able to track your progress towards whatever goals it is that you have. Like I said, we don't need a gym. This is the gym right here. So there's no excuse, even if it's only 5 minutes. Get out and do something. Set number 2. Gotta be your own motivation out here. One of the best things that you could do is be a motivation to someone else. Whether it be giving them advice, helping them with something, you know, teaching them something new, giving a donation, whatever, you know. That's all it's about. Those that do good have nothing but good come back, and nothing but good come forth in their life. Everybody doesn't always do good at all times, but we can always catch ourselves and correct it. Once you gain control of self. I'm trying to think of the words and breathe at the same time. But we're gonna set number 3. Again, I'll say, come up with your own numbers, do what you can do, and increase the numbers as you get stronger or as the weeks pass. You'll be able to feel it, and it won't be as hard as it was in the beginning. Everything will start becoming easier. That's when you'll add on more. And also, the more sets and reps you do, and the time span that you keep it in, that will be considered as cardio if you don't like to run, or if you can't run, you know, doing them maybe every minute, like a 30-second rest or minute rest, or however, but keeping the rest window very slim. If you have to have it longer, have it that way, but you have to make sure that you're working and not just doing things. What's that? Set number 4. Can't do straight leg dips on the steps. You have your knees bent. Do them like this. But like, fight through the pain. It hurts. And the last set. Made it this far. Pat yourself on the back. Congratulate yourself. You did it. You've come that much closer to your health goals, your physical body goals, or whatever goals that you have. Because exercise is not only just connected to the physical, it's connected to you mentally, spiritually, emotionally, everything. It has some playings in the area of your self-esteem, things like that, but more not than anything, the more you exercise, you'll come to see it's something like a stress reliever. You know, instead of becoming angry and spazzing out or having outbursts and, you know, acting irrational, put your body through the pain so your body can push out the pain and bring in strength. Don't worry about what other people think as they watch you at the truck stop, at the rest area, wherever that you do it. You know, don't worry about people's viewing of you, because you're doing this for yourself, and little do you know it, you're really encouraging them, because you're showing them that it can be done, just as I'm doing right now. But most importantly, throughout all of this, if you don't catch anything else that I said and understand it, know that you're doing this for you, and no matter what, you can see the goals that you're accomplishing, whether it be daily goals, weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever. This is all for you. You know, it's your health. It's you being able to elongate your lifespan as opposed to making it shorter by continuing to be unhealthy. And that's the main goal, is to become as healthy as possible, even if you're not, you know, like freakishly healthy or super healthy or whatever people want to call it whenever people do the drastic change. You can work into that if that's what you want to do, but overall you just want to keep your body in motion more than anything, and eat as right as you possibly can. Know that you can take in everything, but only in moderation, you know. And that will help take away a lot of the dis-ease that we have, the disease. It'll take away the pains. That can also help with arthritis and things like that, you know. That's what exercising really does. It's all about longevity. It doesn't matter about the now, even though the now counts, because you're putting in the pain now for a greater result later, you know. You reap the benefits of everything that you sow, and the great seeds are the things that you want to sow to put out, so that you'll be able to get back an even greater return. Set number 5, last set. Let's get it. that's that, people. You just finished 5 sets of 20s or 5 sets of whatever your sets were. Push-ups, dips, and squats. Do this every day. You can do it on your break. You can do it when you first get up in the morning before you start your day. That'll be even greater because it'll actually give you energy. And yeah, can't think right now. I'm trying to put my tripod legs up. So give me a second, y'all. I'm sorry. All right, now once again, so very quick, it's 20 minutes because I talked. If I wasn't talking, it would be a lot shorter time. But yeah, man, be the change you want to see. Be the example of what change is, no matter what type of change, as long as it's positive, not negative, of course. Replace your health with bad habits, the bad habits that you may have, if you even have bad habits, you know, whether it be overindulging in food, procrastinating, not putting your best foot forward, smoking, drinking, whatever. Replace that and put all that energy inside of making yourself better, inside and out. Even though we can't see the inside, by eating a more health balanced, I don't want to say diet, but that's the only word that I can really use. By being more health conscious, you'll help yourself inside and out. Even if you don't see it, you'll feel it. And then if you go to the doctor and they're able to check you out, they'll tell you, you know. So like I said, bottom line, your health is everything. And if you have children, whether they're older, younger, whatever, you're a Superman to them or a Superwoman. So be that super person, but more importantly, be super for yourself, because you are a reflection of everything around you. As far as everything around you, meaning anything good inside of your life, inside of your being, under your control, is all based upon yourself. Anything bad, same thing, is all based upon yourself. So if you don't allow any bad or negative things to interrupt you, then you'll be fine. You'll make peace with everything in life. But always be happy with your life, period, no matter where you are. Just know everything gets greater later. But that's all I have for you guys. I'm about to get ready to go ahead and finish up. And yeah, that's it. Like I said in the beginning, like the video, comment on the video, share this video with someone you think it may resonate with. Hit the subscribe button, and then make sure you hit the bell so you know that, so you'll be notified whenever I put out more content by getting the post notification. Yeah, guys, health is wealth. You just made yourself that much healthier by doing that exercise for 15 minutes. It could be shorter, doesn't matter. Just get out and do something. I love you guys. And as always, stay healthy, be happy. And until next time, peace.